Hey, this is to do a little bit of a description for your NSTA module assignments. I know some of you have already completed the first one, but I've been receiving a lot of questions, so I thought I'd go ahead and explain what to do. So when you go into this particular learning activity, it has NSTA modules 1 and 2 assignment description, and that's a link that takes you to details about what you have to do for module 1. Now, some of you are getting a little caught up in this will be done for 2 of the 3 disciplines. You have an NSTA Module 1 that is due for 1 discipline, and an NSTA Module 2, which you will choose another discipline to complete the science activity, science object. You'll do a screenshot of the quiz, you'll write up your narrative about it, and you'll turn that in. In order for you to find those modules, you click on this link right here. It opens up to a page that looks very much like this. Across the bottom, you have different grade levels. So I'm just going to go to 4th grade, and I think I want to look at, I'm having some trouble with physical science, so I want to look at this particular topic, nature of light, light as waves. So I'm going to go to the NSTA Learning Center, and I'm going to type in nature of light, light as waves, and I'm going to hit search. Now, it may give me an error message. That's to be expected, but this is the exact title of what you're going to be looking for. So, scroll down. Oh, look, the very first one, science object, nature of light, light as waves. I will click on this. It's free. These are about, I would say, about an hour long, but they're content driven. You are not supposed to give these to your students. You are supposed to use these to enhance your own content understanding. Once you've done all of that, we go back to our particular page, and under NSTA Module 1, you will submit your screenshot of the quiz that you completed by going through the module, and you'll also create your narrative. Now, the narrative that you turn in here is slightly more lengthy, okay? But what you do when you go to the discussion board, and this is, let's go to this so you can see what I'm talking about. You will post it per grade level. So maybe you did a 3rd grade lesson and you want to post it in that. So we'll go to 3rd grade, click it, add to it, and you have your module posted, and you're going to respond to at least 3 other people. Hopefully this clears some things up. You do 1 discipline, 1 science object for Module 1. For Module 2, you choose a different discipline and a different science object. Hopefully that clears some things up. Thanks.